All right, dope, man. Welcome everybody to We Teach AI Designs. I am here with
This is Mike.
this
Good morning.
for sure, man. So, Mike, man, tell me a little bit about yourself, man. What brings us here today?
Well, Leon, thank you for asking that question. I'm a creative. I've been in the creative field for about 10 years. I started a
Mhm,
brand about a decade ago. It was called Six Wolves. What I was doing was branding and marketing design
mhm,
for people who had ideas but just lacked the skill set to bring it to life. I stepped away from that recently and started focusing more on my art. Art has always been a love of mine since I was in college. I didn't grow up doing art. That's the funny part. But I got into Photoshop. Long story short, learned about digital art, and then it became something that I wanted to pursue.
mhm.
So I've been focusing more on that. I also, when AI art started, climbing and becoming more mainstream, I love the idea, like we were talking about, of what's happening in the creative communities. Now it's the possibilities of everyone being able to put out content and utilize their creativity is
Yeah.
revolutionary to me. So when I saw that you were offering tutorials, I was like, I need to go ahead and get on, you know.
Definitely.
I see a lot of your work. I think your work is absolutely amazing. So I'm looking forward to creating content that's on par. So
Yeah.